Hello everyone, today we have very interesting math problem. 8 minus 1 over 2 next to 4 divided by 1 over 4. And second is KCF. In PEMDAS, where please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, P stands for parentheses. And we must do it always in the first place. E stands for exponents. Here we don't have it. If we had, we do it in the second place. What's interesting is M and D stands for multiplication and division, and we must do it in the third place from left to right. In this equation, what does it mean? So what we see here, P, we have the parentheses. So basically we will do first what's inside the parentheses. Then we have multiplication and division. So here we can see that we have one subtraction and one multiplication, meaning that we cannot do first the subtraction and then do multiplication. No, we'll do first the multiplication and later the subtraction. So again, first the parentheses, multiplication, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So in this case, the subtraction, we do it last. So recapping, parentheses, we do it in first place. 4 divided by 1 over 4, it's in the first place. Exponents, we don't have it. Multiplication and division, it's in the third place. So we have here multiplication, we'll do it after the parentheses. And last, we do the subtraction. Let's go. So here we write it as it is. Here we have P, so we do it what's inside the parentheses. 4 divided by 1 over 4. Here now we will use the second, let's say, trick, which is KCF, means keep the first. So we're still holding the parentheses. We're keeping the first number, change the sign, and flipping the second. So what does it mean in other words? When we have a division of the fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. So basically we multiply by the number which we flipped. So in this case, 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, this makes our math problem way easier. So we have 8 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 16. Here now we know that we must do the multiplication before the subtraction. So multiplication before the subtraction. We should not do first the subtraction and then the multiplication. Correct? So we have 8 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 16 is 16 over 2. So I'm doing it in a long way to not get confused. 16 over 2 is, you're correct, is 8. So what we get is 8 minus 8. And the result is 0. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.